This morning, we're talking women in business, and joining us today is attorney Anna Blood here in the studio. Thanks for being here with us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, so you've been an attorney for what, like 10 years now, and you're a woman-owned business. So
yes.
Tell me how that is for you. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of challenges that come with that.
There's lots of challenges with owning a business, and I think, being adaptable and being able to, there's going to be problems every day, challenges, and being able to accept those challenges and move forward with the next thing.
And what are your tips for people who might be looking to start a business?
A good support system is number one, having at home and in the community. And I think you need to research the market. Every business is different, right? So I own a law firm, so I worked in the legal field, so I kind of knew going into it what challenges they were going to be, right, what I needed to do. So I had some foundation with that. So I think doing your research on the business you're going to open and just being as prepared as possible. When we opened the business, I didn't have a lot of overhead, a lot of capital to get us started. So I just had to work hard.
Here you are, you have Blood Law. Tell me a little bit about what you guys have to offer.
Well, I've had the firm for about 7 years now, so I'm really excited about that. And we started with one location in Waxhaw, and now we've spread out to 4 locations. So we're serving Dilworth area, Lake Norman, and Fort Mill. I came from a divorced family, so I was really drawn to the family law field. I knew that's what I wanted to be in, and I was really passionate about that. So when I set out to open the firm, I wanted to do something, what was going to make us different, right? Because there's a million attorneys out there. So we try to be excellent in everything that we do. So that comes down to your team, having the right people in the right seats. And anybody that hires our firm, they're going to get a legal team. So there's typically a senior attorney, a junior attorney, and a paralegal that are working on their case.
You're a mother of 4. I mean, and their ages range from, 1.5 to 12 years old.
Yes.
So let's turn back to the adaptability part of this that you said is so important. I mean, as a mom of 4, you really have to be adaptable when you run a business.
Yeah, I have a preteen and a baby, so a wide range. And as you and I were talking before the interview, you just have to have that work-life balance, which is hard. I mean, and I'll tell anybody who's thinking about owning a business, you're never really off, because even when you're off, like if I'm on vacation or something like that, I'm always still in contact with the office or, thinking about the business. But I also think being a mom challenges me in special ways and keeps me on track in a lot of ways, right? My kids keep me grounded, so.
That is amazing. Yeah. And you're an amazing women-owned business here in the community. Where can people go to find more from you?
And I've also written several articles about women in business, so if you want to read about those, they're on our website and our social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn.
I love it. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.